Are you tired of battling the elements while trying to protect your valuable cargo in your Ram 2500? Look no further. In this video, we'll uncover the ultimate solution, the best tonneau covers that combine style, durability, and functionality, transforming your truck into a fortress on wheels. Whether you're hauling tools, gear, or weekend adventure supplies, these tonneau covers are designed to withstand the toughest conditions and elevate your ride's appeal. Say goodbye to flimsy protection and hello to enhanced security and fuel efficiency. Stay tuned as we dive into the top contenders, reveal exclusive features, and help you find the perfect match for your Ram 2500. Don't miss out on this essential guide for every truck enthusiast. Number 7. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Dodge Ram owners seeking durability and convenience. Compatible with 2002 to 2018 Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2024 Ram 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed. This cover is designed for easy installation with no drilling required. Made from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum frames, it stands resilient against the elements. The U.S. patented design includes pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that fold up easily, providing full access to your truck bed when needed. Plus, the stainless steel clamps ensure a strong fit, enhancing overall durability for those with under-the-bedrail bed liners. Installation is a breeze. However, slight modifications may be required for over-the-bedrail bed liners. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tiger Auto T3 is consistently voted the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500, offering both functionality and style that enhances your truck's functionality. Upgrade your ride today for a cleaner, more secure bed. Number 6. Gator Covers has truly outdone themselves with the ETX Soft Roll Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Specifically designed to fit 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2020 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, 76.3 inch. This cover combines functionality with convenience. Crafted from durable vinyl, it not only protects your cargo from the elements, but also adds a sleek look to your truck. One of its standout features is the fast and easy installation. You can clamp the rails on without any drilling. Plus, it provides 100% truck bed access. Simply roll the cover towards a cab and secure it with the attached storage strap. As a bonus, Gator Covers proudly manufactures this product in the USA and backs it with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. For those searching for the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500, the Gator ETX is a top-notch choice that ensures durability, style, and seamless usability. Upgrade your truck with this reliable cover today. Number 5. Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for your Dodge Ram 2500, delivering unmatched performance and protection. Custom designed to fit 2003 to 2024 models with a 6.4 foot bed. This tonneau cover enhances your truck's sleek appearance while ensuring a precise fit. Crafted from durable fiberglass reinforced polymer FRP with a polypropylene honeycomb core, it's built to withstand the elements, supporting up to 450 pounds of weight. Installation is a breeze with 6 robust clamps, requiring no drilling, so you can maintain your vehicle's pristine condition effortlessly. This tonneau cover provides secure protection against rain, snow, dust, and theft, locking when the tailgate is closed to keep your cargo safe. Plus, with its aerodynamic design, it minimizes wind drag, helping you achieve better fuel efficiency. For those in search of the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500, the Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover stands out as a reliable and stylish solution to protect your truck bed and enhance driving efficiency. Number 4. Karmacar Truck Bed Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500 Crew Cab with a 5.7 foot short bed. This hard trifold tonneau cover boasts premium quality construction with 6063 all-aluminum subpanels and a scuff-resistant design that combines strength and durability. The innovative watertight channel hinge system ensures that your cargo remains secure, protected from rain, snow, and dirt, while the hard polymer rubber corners offer extra weather resistance. Featuring a user-friendly clamping system, installation is a breeze, completed in less than 15 minutes with no tools required. This cover can withstand an impressive 750 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. The sleek finish not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also provides maximum security and concealment for your belongings. Karmacar's cover is the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500 enthusiasts seeking reliability and style. Upgrade your truck with this durable and long-lasting accessory, and enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. DNA Motoring new upgrade truck bed top hard solid trifold tonneau cover is the ultimate solution for your 09-18 Dodge Ram 1510 to 22 Ram 2500/3500 with a 6.5-foot fleet-side short bed, crafted with a bullfrog bump texture finish. This durable cover not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also increases aerodynamics, helping you save on gas costs. Installation is a breeze with included clamps, and its sturdy yet lightweight design, less than 70 pounds, ensures easy handling without compromising strength. The black powder-coated aluminum and high-quality fiberglass reinforced plastic build, coupled with double-layer PVC, provides exceptional protection against dust, snow, and scratches. With a secure locking mechanism and adjustable tension, your cargo remains safe and secure while you're on the go. It supports up to an impressive 367 pounds, making it perfect for various loads. Overall, the DNA Motoring tonneau cover is truly the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500, delivering performance, durability, and peace of mind. Number 2. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 owners seeking the best tonneau cover for their trucks. Custom designed to fit models from 2002 to 2025, this cover ensures a snug, secure fit for 6.4-foot standard boxes. Made from robust fiberglass and aluminum, it withstands harsh weather conditions, including hailstorms, without a dent. Installation is a breeze thanks to its easy clamping and no-drill setup, making it user-friendly for everyone. With reinforced hinges and locking mechanisms, it offers added security so you can rest easy knowing your cargo is safe. Its sleek, aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency, ensuring stability on the highway without annoying flapping. Plus, it comes with extra weather stripping and a generous 60-month warranty, giving you peace of mind. Upgrade your truck with the Whale Motor tonneau cover and enjoy durability, convenience, and superior performance. Number 1. Real Truck BK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Ram owners looking to enhance both functionality and style. Designed to fit 2002 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2021 2500/3500 with a 6 feet 4 inches bed. This cover combines robust security with modern aesthetics. Crafted from durable aluminum, the panels automatically latch when partially or fully closed, ensuring your cargo is protected once your tailgate is locked. The sleek matte finish not only elevates the look of your truck, but also withstands scratches, marks, and UV damage, making it a long-lasting choice. With the BK Flip MX4, you enjoy 100% bed access, operated closed, folded, or flipped up without obstructing the third brake light. Plus, the enhanced perimeter seals and dual-action tailgate design offer seamless functionality whether the tailgate is open or closed. This is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for Ram 2500, merging style, security, and convenience like never before. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Ram 2500 can enhance your truck's functionality and aesthetics. Whether you prioritize durability, weather resistance, or easy access, there's a perfect option out there for you. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below.